Okay, hello guys. I'm here with and here we have Robert. Robert.
Hello.
Robert from
Holland.
Holland. Okay. With my G.
Here we are.
Yes.
When you visit here, welcome to Pretoria. The sun is burning a lot, guys. So when you visit Pretoria, make sure you at least visit this place called the Church Square, and you can Google it so you'll see the way it's looking like. You see? And the funny thing to do, to play with such pigeons, you're trying to give them a food and they're gonna follow you. You see? So that is all, guys. I just want to stand somewhere there so that you can get a clear picture of this place. Okay.
Nice part, but not so nice.
Yeah. So guys,
I think that is a Baroque style.
and this is the post office in Pretoria.
Baroque style.
Ah, okay.
I think,
Yeah, it's a post office. You can see even somewhere up there.
Yeah,
they've written post office. Yeah. So that's the post office, and this is their metro bus. So now we can just take around here so that we can see. And hey guys, actually we are here. I want to meet with my friend. Yeah, very soon I'm gonna meet her around here, and after here I don't know if the time will be enough. We want to go somewhere called the Union Building. Yeah, I was there. Some videos I've explained a lot about that place, but
yes, the description is Dutch.
okay, the structure is a Dutch structure.
Yes.
Okay, you guys, if you know, you see Robert what has seen. Yeah, he said this is a Dutch structure. Okay, yeah, because people from Netherlands are the ones who colonized here, so that's why it's looking most of things actually there's like the same, and also we can. Okay, let me take you a picture. People, they've been confusing, they just want to pass that side. That's their problem again. Welcome to Pretoria, welcome to Church Square. And guys, this is the Church Square. I hope so you have seen it. There's a beautiful garden down here. You can play soccer, and most of the time people are playing soccer, but around the weekend, not like every day people are busy with their stuff, you see. And another thing what you can do, you see like that boy is playing a skateboard, you see. And the thing that you can do here, maybe you can play soccer, or you can feed these pigeons so that they can fly and follow you, like you know, when the pigeons, you're giving them some maize or any popcorns and stuff like that, so they can just come on your shoulder, like the way you see those guys there. And another thing is wow, metro bus. Okay, yes, I've seen her. She's almost here. Yeah. Chomi. Wena. How's it? You good?
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Good.
Yeah. Hey, how's everything?
It's okay.
You at home?
So when you know I come to work.
Now. We are actually Church Square. and hope you guys watched some previous videos. I've been talking about this place, and I've been here within a few minutes. I was waiting for my friend, but this is my first friend. There's other friend. Yeah, this is Robert. You see Robert to previous videos. Okay, fine. Here I am, and this is my friend. What's her name?
Hello guys, my name is Mohauli Shilu from Limpopo, South Africa.
Wow. Yeah, this is my friend. So you've been here for how long? Here in Pretoria, yeah.
Since 2016.
2016.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means the whole family were here. Oh, you are okay.
I just came here due to studies
Okay.
and work. Yeah.
Wow.
So my family are back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, this is my friend. Her name is a bit hard for me to pronounce, but I know the only meaning, yeah. And that's what I do most of the time here in South Africa. When I try to ask people their names, their names are always not really easy for me to catch them. That's why I must ask the meanings of their names. Which side maybe we can, so can we go and check? Yeah. It's too much sand.
It's not.
Okay guys, we are going somewhere just to see what's we're gonna find on the road, you know. We just exploring the city. Yeah. Just stay in touch, and if you're a new one, make sure you click on the subscribe button. And if it's okay, just share to others. We Game Deceased, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, the same name, on Twitter. Yeah. Don't forget on TikTok. Okay. And this is the metro station, right? Yeah. Okay. And these buses you pay how much, like? It's like how much fare if you want to go somewhere?
I don't know.
Other people, they told me like you need to pay to buy a card, so they use card. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Load
Okay. So that means you can't go out of that route you choose. If maybe I say every day I will start maybe.
You're saying from here to mainland.
Yeah.
From here to mainland. From mainland to here.
Every day.
Yes.
You can't choose like today I don't want to go to mainland, maybe I want to go somewhere else. It's not gonna work out.
Maybe if the distance is the same.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, I think we can close. Okay guys, yeah. Around the city of Pretoria, and actually as I told you to the previous videos, this city of Pretoria, someone who discovered this city called the Martinez Pretorias. Yeah. The person who discovered the city of Pretoria, and I think that's why the guy decided to give Pretoria that name, because his name is Martinez Pretorias. It's funny. Okay. And so you usually pass this side just to check. Not really.
I've been in Pretoria for quite a long time.
Okay.
Obviously when I was doing my first year, I loved to explore Pretoria. And then now it's almost 7 years living in the city, so it's nothing new to me.
Okay.
Go around because I've been to almost a lot of places around.
Okay. Okay. And you usually visit Limpopo sometimes because they say that's the place where you're from.
Yes.
Okay. I
go
think.
to Limpopo almost every month, and
Wow. How many hours from here to Limpopo?
3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. I think so. I'll be there within a few days. Maybe I'll go to Limpopo. There is a national park called Kuruga.
National Park.
Yeah. Where is it? Is it in Limpopo or Mpumalanga? Mpumalanga. But when I check on the map, it shows like it is in Limpopo. Is the Limpopo and Mpumalanga big? Okay. Maybe the park is in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it is on the middle, why don't you say it is in it is in Limpopo? Wow. Okay. Okay, guys. Wow. Yeah, somewhere there. I think there's the museum somewhere there. To the green. Let's see if it is still open or they've closed. We will see. And how many languages do you speak?
I can speak Venda,
Yeah.
Tswana,
Okay.
a little bit of Tsonga,
Okay.
a little bit of Xhosa, a little bit of Zulu. Yeah. Some
So-
languages are just for the basics,
Yeah.
greetings. Yeah.
So something like 4 languages. So 4 or 5 you can speak. So if you go maybe kwa Zulu Natal, because that side they are speaking Zulu, ne? So that means if you go there, you can speak and understand what they say. Wow. And those guys, when they come here, is it hard for them to understand with you?
Which guys?
Maybe from those people who coming from that side.
From Limpopo.
Yeah, not from Limpopo, from maybe Durban or where. Is it hard to understand your language here in Pretoria? Wow. Pretoria, the city which discovered by Martinus Pretorius. And you know guys, the place where we go is somewhere there. You see something like a dinosaur. Dinosaur? What do we call dinosaur? Dinosaur. Okay, we see dinosaur skeleton out there, but let's go closer and find out what is that, and then if the place is still open, we can jump in and see what is going on. Okay. The guy was in the long parking. That's why they took him. Okay, we need to close. Okay, actually they say this is a national museum, but we don't know what is going on inside there. Let's go to the entrance there. I hope so there we'll get some information. And this is my gang. This is my gang. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I see something like a dinosaur. I told you guys. Yeah?
7:30 to 4 o'clock. What time is it?
Oh. Yeah, it's already it's already closed. And it's for tomorrow. Okay guys, we just discovered now we are out of time, and actually the time is from 7:30 up to 16 hours. 16 hours is 4 o'clock. So we're almost out of time. We don't need even to go to ask, but anyway, let me try to go until somewhere there, and then I'm coming back. I find you guys here, and you want to see a little bit, because I want to at least go out somewhere there, and then okay guys, I want to show you, this is museums. Someone told me it's the National Museum. You see? Okay. This is for the tomorrow's video because now it's totally closed. Now it's totally closed, guys. So I hope so. We need to come back tomorrow. This town restaurant. Okay. National Museum. Yeah, it's the National Museum. Let me try to go and ask. Let me go inside. Okay, guys. Let me wear my glasses. Okay, guys. I was inside. I don't know. Okay, my camera says I'm out of time. Okay, sharp. I was inside here just to ask you the price, and I think so. Today's video I'll be right there inside. Make sure you come and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, stay tuned. Turn on the bell notification so when I upload the new video, it will be the show my guy. Sharp. When I turn on the notification, you get you get a notification where. I'm good, how are you too? Okay guys, let me say thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and share to others, and yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so when I upload the new video about this place, you get a notification and boom. I'm expecting to have comments like what you're gonna say about this place. Okay, but I want to say I'm with these friends here. Robert, you can say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, my friend here.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Ciao.